Backyard Garden Design Ideas 2024. Welcome to my DPS channel, where creativity meets nature in our stunning backyard garden designs of 2024. Get ready to be inspired as we showcase the latest trends and innovative ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a breathtaking oasis. 1. Trendsetting Designs. Discover the hottest garden design trends of 2024, from sustainable landscapes to modern minimalism. We'll guide you through incorporating these trends into your own backyard, creating a space that's not only beautiful, but also environmentally conscious. 2. Colorful Blooms and Plant Palettes. Dive into a world of vibrant colors and unique plant combinations that will take your garden to the next level. Our expert horticulturists will share insights into pairing flowers, shrubs, and foliage for year-round visual appeal. 3. Functional Outdoor Living. Explore innovative ways to make the most of your garden as an extension of your living space. From cozy outdoor lounges to practical cooking and dining setups, we'll show you how to blend style and functionality seamlessly. 4. Sustainable Gardening. Join us in embracing eco-friendly practices that not only enhance your garden's beauty but also contribute to a healthier planet. Learn about water-saving techniques, composting, and attracting beneficial wildlife. 5. DIY Garden Projects. Unleash your inner DIY enthusiast with step-by-step guides to crafting eye-catching garden features. From personalized planters to artistic trellises, these projects will add a touch of your unique style to the landscape. 6. Zen and Wellness Gardens. Find tranquility and balance with our Zen garden ideas, incorporating elements like meditation spaces, soothing water features, and therapeutic plants that promote relaxation and well-being. 7. Global Inspiration. Embark on a journey around the world as we draw inspiration from various cultures and gardening traditions. Explore the beauty of Japanese Zen gardens, English cottage gardens, Mediterranean terraces, and more. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, our channel offers something for everyone. Get ready to reimagine your backyard and embark on a gardening adventure that promises to elevate your outdoor living experience. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest garden design ideas and tips for 2024.